Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Fittorium ka balong ka Dukan bejudi ya Tiar yelek kai ba penhe doksa ya ka bala seng nengkong nagasnong nong thamai jong ka Nongbah Shalom menta ka genti ka la persyang ban Pynïar pat yala ki thap nyang ban aijing syakri sya ka Nongbah Gangtok jong ka jelas Sikkim ya kani ka Dukan beju Pynïar yo ya Tiar yelek kai penhe doksa jong ka Fittorium ha ka Nongbah Gangtok la Plie pait ba da ka try ka kong ji Cornelia kharkongor ha ka khat santari ku jelio mentau snam arjar khat khandai.
Totally regarding fitness, health and fitness. So we are trying to bring this concept. In fact, it's an old concept, but in Sikkim, when I came here, I found that there was no such dealers to give that facilities. I mean, to give sales to the customers. We have to go all the way to Siliguri, maybe to other places, Kaba or something like that. So I have this in mind that if I come here, then I can give that better sales and better service to the people of Sikkim as a whole, and especially to the town of Gangtok, because nowadays in this period of time, health and fitness is very important. As I have already told earlier that when you are physically fit, you become mentally fit. We install gyms in different places. People can come to us for gym installation. Big gyms. We don't only deal with the domestic things, but we deal with even gym installations. I don't think there is much stores in Gangtok as I've seen the market. Maybe there is one or two, but I don't think that they are giving good service. So my thought is that maybe I can give better service. When any customer buy any equipment, we don't finish up the relation with the customer there. We have the relation of giving them service because these are product items that you use regularly. So service is always required. So what keeps us in mind is that we should sell and then the relation should be with service also. I think it will give a great impact, good impact to the customers if they purchase and they use it regularly. It's not that when you use and you just keep it at home, that won't help. You buy, you use it, then you really get that physical fitness. As I said, nowadays there's so many kind of diseases like weight gain, high pressure, arthritis, all these kind of sickness. With your exercise, you can really get the benefit of that health.